my koutou called Jack toku ingoa. My name is Jack.
And morena Winton School called Matthew ahau. I am Matthew. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare, the 26th of May.
Okay, let's get into kupu or te wiki. This week's word is morena, which is te reo for good morning.
As in morena e hoa. Good morning, mate.
Kia ora. That's morena, which is te reo for good morning.
Hi, VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Library news, also known as whare-puka-puka panui.
That's right, te whare-puka-puka is open today from 12:45 for returns, browsings and issues.
It's toasty and the books are tasty.
Okay, tomorrow is Rā Mere and my favourite, Rā o te wiki, because it's Sausage Sizzle Day.
And hot chocolates. Get your stamps in the library from 8:30, koutou. Correct money, please.
Remember to keep your $1 coin for the cookies that will be on sale by the barbecue at lunchtime.
Cookies sales have helped fund the Year 8 Deep Cove Camp.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Problem solving team. You have a get together today at 12:45 in the group room. Kia ora.
Haka news. Year 4s to 6 auditions are tomorrow at lunchtime. 12:45 for this year's competitive haka team.
This team will represent our school at Ngā competition held in November.
If you love haka, you can commit to practices and you can do an attitude, then come and try out. We'll be singing kapi oi oi.
No birthdays at Winton School today, but it is the U.S. of A. It's National Paper Aeroplane Day.
Pals news. Not sure who was keeping up today. Could be year 7-8. Check out the library window for details.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, Winton School.